alaikum, my gorgeous English community. How have you been? Well, this is Sonia Rafiq from English with Faatima. So, students, it's August, and many of you might be thinking, might be planning that you have to gain fluency by the end of December. You have to become a fluent English speaker by the end of this year. So, आप में से वो students जो चाहते हैं कि within these 5 months, like you still have 5 months: August, September, October, November, and December. So, किस तरह you can become a fluent English speaker within these 5 months? Students, trust me, if you use your time wisely, smartly, no one can stop you from achieving your goal. Question is, how can you achieve this goal? Because plans तो बहुत से students बनाते हैं, but they fail to achieve it. हाँ, you watch a motivational video. हो सकता है आपकी life में कोई ऐसी situation आई हो, you really get hyped. You become serious. You tell yourself, this time I'm serious. I have to become a fluent English speaker. You start working hard. On day one, you put in a lot of effort. On day two, you work hard, but then you get frustrated, you disappear, then you skip, and after some days you end up saying, oh, why isn't my English improving? Why can't I become a fluent English speaker? And what happens? You maybe you sign in an expensive institute now, thinking that now actually the magic will happen. No one can transform your English until you are serious with yourself. Now, where's the problem? The problem is you never built a routine.
So I actually want you to build discipline, consistency, and time management.
आपने इनके बारे में बहुत बार अपनी लाइफ में सुना, but you never understood them. You never understood the importance of these words, of these habits. Trust me, these habits, they can change the game. They are actually game-changing habits. Once you master them, everything will be changed. So, first of all, let's talk about consistency. Why is consistency important? So, what happens when you don't have any specific routine, when you don't know how to manage time, when you don't know how to stay consistent, then actually results are zero. So, to have a proper routine is crucial, because when you know how to manage your time, when you know how to complete your work within a specific time frame, जब आपको पता है कि मैंने टाइम के अंदर चीजें कैसे मैनेज करनी है, it means you are maintaining a balance, and this balance actually leads to consistency. Because when you have balance, it means you will not get frustrated. You will feel motivated. So this balance actually leads to consistency. And consistency means, consistency is not about doing a lot at once. It's about showing up every single day. So if you show up every single day, if you are going slowly but going steadily, if you are taking small steps every day, then actually the real magic will happen. So then consistency will lead to progress, and progress will definitely lead to motivation. Yes, if you stay consistent, if you manage your time properly, if you are taking small steps but actually taking them on the daily basis, you will really feel proud of yourself that although I haven't achieved success yet, but actually I am trying on daily basis. So doing a little every day is far more powerful than doing a lot at once. And I really want you to build this habit.
So forget about everything for now. Just give 10 minutes a day for the next 7 days. That's your only target. 10 minutes every day. No excuse. Do a little, but do it every single day. And after these 7 days, come back here, because next week I am gonna give you the next step of your English fluency journey. So we are gonna build this step by step. And if you really want to take this journey seriously, write in the comments I'm in. So I want to know how many of you are ready to bring your life on track. Here is an important announcement that English with Faatima is now launching its official spoken English programs. And the best part is enrollments are open for one-on-one sessions as well. So इफ़ यू वांट टू लर्न डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम मी, अगर आप डायरेक्टली मुझसे लर्न करना चाहते हैं, इंडिविजुअली क्लासेस लेना चाहते हैं, देन सिंपली कॉन्टैक्ट एट दिस नंबर फॉर कोर्स डिटेल्स. I guarantee that after attending these classes, you will see a big difference in your English.